Hello, everyone. I'd like to talk to you today about a situation that comes up over and over and over again in my practice. I was reminded about it when I met with a gentleman the other day, and it's about his mom and her level of care. She has been home and he's been taking care of her for quite some time, but I think they're both at the end of their rope as far as whether this is going to be a sustainable situation. Here's the problem. There are two conflicting ideas that happen a lot for people in this situation. We have a senior family member who absolutely positively never wants to leave their home. And that's, of course, understandable. But we also have a senior family member that needs a certain level of care. They may be beyond the point where they can provide for their own activities of daily living. They need assistance with bathing, dressing, feeding, toileting, transferring, and maybe medication management, cleaning the house, cooking the meals. Those are all great, but at some point, that level of care is going to be so great, it's going to impact family members. So that's the problem. We have two conflicting ideas. We want to stay home, but we want to have a really high level of care, and that may just be too much for the family members. That gentleman had left work and he had not been employed for several years. And of course, that's a burden on him. And he's spending 24/7 taking care of his mom. And is she really getting the level of care that she needs? It may cost more money, but she's probably going to get a higher level of care in an institutional setting like assisted living or memory care or skilled nursing. She might actually enjoy it. She may have company there, friends that she makes. So a lot of people are concerned that they don't have the funds to deal with that. And that's the problem. You are adversely impacting family members when you don't address this problem. Is this something you just want to let continue on and on and on forever? Or do you want to address it? Because there are ways to deal with that financial issue. There are VA benefits, there are Medicaid benefits, and that's where I can help. If you need that help, if you think you want that help, then the first step is to book a call. Book a call on my website. You can have a 15-minute call. We just talk. We can have it by Zoom or phone and just figure out what your situation is. And if it's a place where I can help, then we'll schedule a longer meeting. All of the consultations will be free, but we can provide a roadmap to help resolve this problem. So give me a call. Thanks.